Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Worthy judges, honorable speaker, and respected participants of virtual conference ES 2021. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saida Bibi and I am working as a principal scientist in Naya Faisalabad. Today I am going to present my poster related to my PhD research work. And the title of my research is Induced Mutation and Molecular Approaches for Improving Wheat Plant Architecture and Grain Quality. So, as we know all, the Pakistan is agriculture-based country and the total geographical area of Pakistan is 79.1 million hectare, in which 22 million hectare is cultivated under various crops and only 18 million hectare area is irrigated by Rabi and Kharif crops. It is the major cereal crop of Pakistan and it accounts 8.6% in value added in agriculture and 1.6% in GDP. The total cultivated area of wheat is 8,740,000 hectare during 2018 to 19 and it was declined by 0.6% because of shifting of the area to oilseed and other competitive crops. While it showed marginal increase of 0.5% over the last year, production was 25.2 metric ton but 4.6% less than the target of consumption. If we see the graph of the Pakistan population in 1947, Pakistan population was only 32.5 million, in 2010 was 177.1 million and in 2019 was 220 million. So we can understand that the Pakistan population is increasing very fast and we need more food for this growing population. Beside those, dear judges, we have seen drastic changes occur in the climate globally and especially in South Asia. Hence, Pakistan is on its hits list. Due to these drastic changes in new pest disease and abiotic stresses introduced in economically important crops, and most of the varieties of the crop plants are susceptible for these stresses. These all problems suggest us to do work with techniques for induction of the new alleles for wheat improvement to sustain and improve production under this climatic changing scenario. Therefore, dear judges, genetic variability is the key component of the breeding program and also help to select the best one which is more adapted to the environment. Induced mutation is the best tool for induction of the new idiotypes, and for this purpose I use gamma rays, EMS and combined treatment for the development of variants in 3 well-adapted wheat varieties, Sarsabs, Kiran and TD1, and raise the different population and from M3 I was selected the 30 promising mutant which has clear differences from their parents. You can see in this picture visual differences of height, color, number of tillers, more number of grain per spikelet, high grain number, lax and compact spike and amber grain color. And then we characterize these mutant through forward genetics and studied the genetic diversity through 50 SSR marker and showed the total genetic diversity was 50% and gene diversity was 42%, while 2.5 high degree of differentiation among population, it means more number of the heterozygotes in population due to high gene flow. Another major aspect is physical characteristic of grain texture of the grain hardness, protein and starch content affect the milling and marketing of the bread wheat. HA locus of the chromosome 5DS makes the distinction between the soft and hard wheat class of wheat containing 2 alleles pin A or pin B. So on the basis of the amplification of pin A, pin B alleles, 33 wheat genotypes were 16 classified as soft, 16 were hard and only one mutant was ultra hard in texture. Many PCR based method for the analysis of the GBSS allele has been developed, and the absence of the GBSS1 allele from the chromosome 4A is associated improved starch quality. According to result, 5 types of the Vexi phenotype 1, 2, 3, 5 and 8 were observed, in which 5 mutants were non-Vexi, 3 were Vexi mutant and 22 mutants with their 3 parents were partial Vexi. In this paper, research work poster, different aspects are discussed for the identification improved phenotype possessing valuable traits which could play a role in wheat breeding and also serving the process for identification of the functional basis of the genes of wheat quality. I am thankful to ES 2021 organizing committee who provide the platform to researchers to present their research work, and thank you so much for listening and may Allah bless you all.